Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perfect balanced CG and flies like it's on rails. Look at that, man. A superb cruiser. Look how beautifully it's cruising at these altitude and at these little throttles. Wow, vertical climb, man. And a zero throttle, people. Should glide very well, which it does. It's a really very, very responsive model. And if we go straight, it actually does not have the torque roll. Man, the flight performance is so beautiful. I am actually having fun throwing it around. Ah, man, what beautiful aerobatic flight performance it has. What agility and responses on this plane. This is my 20% throttle now. Ooh, we're still climbing. It's flying beautiful, not stalling, cruising really nice. I don't feel any torque roll. What a beautiful cruiser it is. I love the vertical climb. Zero throttle. And gliding. Sweet landing, man. Don't hold the propeller, okay? Keep away from propeller. Thank you.